Hi guys, it's been quite a while since I've done a video, but today we're going to be unboxing the Zhiyun M2 gimbal. Now, the one that I used to have is the Snupa Kailin M. It's really big and actually honestly is quite useless. The things that I've got out of it could not help me to be able to film anything because it was faulty. So let me show you what's inside. So this was what I ordered from Indiegogo, and what I was able to do with it was basically nothing. I was very disappointed with the customer service and the functionality of this because it basically doesn't work. Now, as for why I got this is because it's really light and it doesn't cost that much. Now it's about 260 USD and it's really light to bring around. Now let's unbox and I'll show you what I mean. So now let's open it up. Basically what you get out of it is the box itself and these warranty cards. So this is the manual, and this is basically a care service card letting you know where you could go if anything goes wrong. So here you have the box. Once you open it up, you have the gimbal itself, the hand strap, the three-legged tripod, an phone mount, a USB charging cable, and the mounting base and the mounting plate screws. So basically this is the gimbal itself without any stand, and comparing with my hand, it's really small. Now if I put my phone beside it, you can see literally how small this is. Now you can take this stand to be able to mount it on the bottom of the gimbal. Not a lot of the gimbal companies out there give this tripod stand, so I find this is really useful, and actually honestly I don't think it costs much for the company to make. Now I'm going to take it out to be able to show you guys a closer look on the items that I've mentioned. Starting with the USB cable, the phone tripod, the phone mount, the hand strap, and one thing that is very underrated is actually the box itself. Look how small and functional this is. Now I'm going to take a measuring tape to show you guys how wide this is and whether you can contain it in your own bag. Okay, so let's measure it up. So this measures about 26 cm wide and about 18 cm tall. Now if you don't want to carry this, the tripod itself, once it's collapsed, it's about 25 cm wide, and the tripod stand about 9 cm. One thing I love about this gimbal is that once you put it in place, it has this auto lock function which doesn't allow this gimbal to move once you put it in your bag. I hope you guys like this quick video of me unboxing the Zhiyun M2 gimbal. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. It really helps me to support my channel and keeps me going for the long run. If not, please look at my other videos while I unbox all the other stuff or bag reviews. Either ways, I'll see you guys in the next video.